How to use HubSpot's API. Welcome to today's video on HubSpot's API, where we'll be exploring the world of data integration and automation. HubSpot is a powerful marketing, sales, and customer service platform that offers a wide range of tools and features to help businesses grow. One of the key features of HubSpot is its API, which allows developers to access and manipulate data in a programmable way. So, what is the HubSpot API? In simple terms, it's a set of tools that enables developers to interact with HubSpot's data and features programmatically. This means that developers can use the API to automate tasks, create custom integrations, and build custom applications that integrate with HubSpot. To get started with the HubSpot API, you'll need to create an account and obtain an API key. Once you have your API key, you can use it to authenticate your requests and access HubSpot's data. The API provides a range of endpoints and methods that you can use to perform different actions, such as creating and updating contacts, managing campaigns, and tracking leads. One of the most powerful features of the HubSpot API is its ability to integrate with other tools and services. For example, you can use the API to integrate HubSpot with popular tools like Google Analytics, MailChimp, or Salesforce. This allows you to create custom workflows and automate tasks across multiple platforms. When working with the HubSpot API, it's essential to understand the different types of requests and responses. There are two main types of requests: GET and POST. GET requests are used to retrieve data, while POST requests are used to create or update data. The API also returns data in JSON format, which is easy to parse and work with. To get the most out of the HubSpot API, it's crucial to understand how to handle errors and exceptions. The API provides a range of error codes and messages that you can use to diagnose and fix issues.